How to make money on Whop. To start, open Whop app. The following, we have here live streams, content rewards happening now, events happening soon. But since we want to have a content, so we have the content rewards. So in here, it says get paid for creating content. So let's select autopilot clips. So get paid to make videos for the autopilot app. Tap join. Okay, so after joining, you would see here the community. We have here the chat. So you just have to ask some questions and check the different content being posted in this chat. So in here, it says on your screen or text description, do not say anything about insider trading. So please be careful on the rules set by the group chat. And then in here, we have the instruction how to start clipping. So you have there watch video tutorials, read the FAQs, and then in the content rewards tab, find the Google Drive link. So you just have to follow these instructions and then that's it. You have the content and then you will be rewarded with money. Okay? So that's it. That's how to make money using Whop.